Have you ever imagined building the perfect home designed just for you and your family? Are you ready to take the first step? When it comes to making your vision a reality, it's all about quality, craftsmanship, and a builder you can trust.
The reason a custom home is ideal is that you can take any plan that you've seen in a magazine, and we have in-house architects that can draw that out for you, but they can make any change to the plan that maybe wherever you found it hadn't done. Every inch of that house, you can actually put your hand in it.
Since 1988, family-owned and operated VIP Homes have been building luxury custom homes unlike anyone else in Phoenix.
The biggest part is that we can customize every outlet, every door, and we're not on the spectrum where you have to bring us $500,000 before you can even get in our door. We can do it all. Sometimes you don't get what you want because it's not within your price range to do it. We get as creative as we can to get you exactly what you need. But it's nice to have that variety because you have a lot of folks who walk in the door and they can't afford, they don't want a huge home, but they want the quality that VIP is known for.
Luxury is defined by more than just size. It's thoughtful design, premium materials, and spaces that elevate everyday living.
Most of it's the materials and the application of those materials, such as this home. You've got the gold leaf on the refrigerators and the cabinet handles and lots of marble, all tile. It's the kind of materials that you do that's going to hold up for a very long time.
From concept to construction to completion, every VIP home is a team effort.
Built on paper, again, that's where the architect comes in and he'll take a description of what they want. In a lot of cases, a floor plan they bring in. When we're done with a plan, before we send it out to the field, it has every outlet, every window, every plumbing part. It's all on that paper. Because if you don't do it that way, you've got things that are going to interfere with one another. And also, you're contracting. I will build this home. So that drawing has to be absolutely accurate. A lot of our buyers are first-time custom home buyers. The biggest thing is that we can produce the architecture for them. There's a lot of high-end buyers that do go to some of the other custom builders, and the first thing you do is you put down about $65,000 for your blueprint. To us, give us a deposit to hold your lot, because as long as we know the lot we're putting this on, we can draw this plan, you can come back and make multiple changes. It will be precise, it'll be exactly to the inch that you designed. That's huge, because I don't know of any other custom builder that does it in-house and that doesn't charge a huge stipend up front just to start the plan. We have a design center because we're showing every kind of faucet in quartz and granite and handles and flooring, and constantly having vendors who come to us and this is the latest and greatest, and then they pull out the old samples and put in the new ones, and we're always keeping up with the times because we have to. Our buyers are going to come in. In the design center, you put people in there that you know are very accommodating. They love other people, they enjoy what they're doing, and they're there to serve them. And it's very obvious. When it's real, you can tell.
VIP Homes isn't just building houses. It's about creating one-of-a-kind spaces where your family can live their best lives.
I think the biggest thing to know about VIP is that we don't ever want to do anything where if it isn't a win-win, we won't build it. You know, you're not really there to sell what you have. You're there to sell what they need. And it is really our biggest thing as we are living here and working here to serve people.
If you're ready to discover the VIP Homes difference, visit their website, viphomes.com, or you can see the segment again on designingspaces.tv.